Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. The same person I was helping with this horseshoe wants to put them around the circle, but when she welds it all together, the line thickness of the nail holes go away. So we're going to show what she's doing. Make sure there's only one copy, and there is. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. Double click on the X and get the rotation of the center of the page. And then we're going to rotate it 20 degrees. She sized it perfectly because now these are just meeting. So we're going to Control D again and rotate it 40 degrees. But when she welds it all together to make it one horseshoe, well, let me zoom in here. Watch what happens to the thickness of the lines. They become hairlines and cut lines. And now you could go back in there and redo that, but I think the best way to do it, I always make sure I've only got one copy and I've got two. So this is all grouped together. We're going to go to Object and Group and ungroup it. And because all this is kind of like solid and there's no other pieces, we can grab the 6 nails holes and move them up. Now I'm going to group those together, Control G. And then we can take the horseshoe and let's go ahead and Control G just in case. Control D and make a duplicate. And then move the center rotation to the center. A lot of times it doesn't look like it is, and it's not in this case. Now we go. Now we can rotate it that 20 degrees. And we'll just Control D all the way around. Now, let's actually nudge these up so I won't get them. Let's you know what? Let's take away our circle so it won't interfere. And let's weld this together. And by doing that now, when we fill in the outline of the horse with black, you can actually hit right here. We get back to, so that's perfect. Now, let's group this together. Well, we don't have to because it's welded. Now we can take the nails, I didn't mean to do that, and select them, and we'll nudge them back down twice. We'll Control D to duplicate them. Get the center rotation to the center. Not there yet. I need to get that back, my macro. And let's rotate it 20 degrees. And then Control D all the way around. And what you're having to do, or what you're saving your time, you're not having to go back in there and change the thickness of those lines. That is pretty special graphic. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.